Welcome back to Getaway, where I'm on board Scenic Diamond, cruising the waterways of southwestern France. My focus for this trip is the wonderful food that the beautiful Bordeaux region has to offer. Well, that, and a little bit of Poh time too.
Seasoning things to perfection is very much part of my profession. However, I did not expect to be in here getting slowly seasoned myself. I'm in the salt room. I've never heard of one before, but it's temperature and humidity controlled, and it's meant to be very good for your respiratory system. So here goes.
Handcrafted from salt bricks to recreate the microclimate of a natural salt room, it's a wonderful way to relax, detoxify, and rebalance.
The best thing about a scenic cruise is you can go hard or just at your own pace. And signing up for one of the cooking classes with one of the chefs on board is a perfectly relaxing way to spend an afternoon.
Welcome, nice to see you for our cooking class of today. Today we talk about our lobster bisque.
Known as Scenic Culinaire, this is where holidays turn into lasting memories as you get to take home the skills to cook your own delicious French cuisine.
You're doing a good job, Marilyn. It's definitely smelling very biscuity.
When the bisque is kind of done, you have to blend it and then to strain it.
This is the sort of cooking class that's perfect to sign up for if you don't actually really want to get your hands dirty. You make some friends, have a delicious snack. It's kind of a perfect way to relax. What do you reckon, thumbs up?
Absolutely.
And while we've been eating up a storm, our spaceship has arrived in Blaye, about 3 hours downstream from Bordeaux.
Being around such an abundance of world-class food and wine, it's really wise to stay active. So today, I'm going on a walking tour. And of course, sensible shoes, please.
And what a walking tour this is. This is the Bly Citadel, one of the finest, most well-preserved fortresses in the world. Designed by famous engineer Sébastien Vauban, this 17th century citadel has not one, but 2 moats.
Sebastian really knew how to screw with the enemy's mind. So there's 2 moats. You can't see the second one from the outside.
We've crossed together a first building,
Yeah.
which is basically a kind of trap. You're thinking that it is the gate, but actually the enemies, they're going to lose a lot of energy trying to destroy those wooden doors and
Yes.
trying to cross the first moat.
Yes.
And once you're here, surprise, well, you still have another gate to cross.
The citadel was built during the reign of Louis XIV to protect the city of Bordeaux, which is about 50 k's upstream. This was an incredibly well thought out fortress, complete with secret tunnels, of course.
Well, we have first to open this door.
That's crazy. You have the secret keys to the secret tunnels.
Exactly. If you want, you can even help me
Yes.
push that there.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
There we are.
Wow.
In order to cross the moats and defend multiple walls, tunnels were built throughout the citadel.
You see the hole? Was used to have lights. Now we have something magic, electricity.
Every detail was considered in the design of the citadel.
And you see the corridor has a curved shape
Yes.
because, well, if the invaders are coming here and they're like following you, if they're trying to shoot you down, they're gonna have a blind spot and the bullet is not going to follow the curve, you know?
Complete with ramparts, a prison, barracks and gunpowder magazine, the Bly Citadel is rightly a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
I'm actually feeling quite overwhelmed right now to be in a place with such a deep history and such genius engineering, and to be able to trace the footsteps of French soldiers and place my hand on such ancient walls. It just really lights your imagination on fire.